Counting memo. Counting memo develops the child's early numerical skills through play and encourages them to identify the number symbols of 1 through to 12. The child's visual perception and visual memory skills are also trained. The counting memo games can be played with several children at the same time. In the lotto game, each child is given a game board. The small, loose cards are arranged face down on a pile. The children take it in turns to turn over a card. If the card corresponds with their own board, it can be moved to the correct place. The image has to be identical to the image shown on the game board. If the card does not correspond with the child's game board, it is placed next to the pile. The child who manages to cover his or her game board first is the winner. A variant on the above game is to find the matching quantities rather than the images. For example, if the game board depicts 4 trees, the card depicting the number 4 can be placed on top of it. Or if the game board shows 3 dots, the card depicting 3 giraffes can be placed on top of it. In memory game, the cards are arranged face down on the table. The children take it in turns to turn over 2 cards. If the child finds an identical pair, for instance cards of the same quantity, he or she can keep the 2 cards. If the cards do not form a matching pair, they must be returned face down to their original place. The child who collects the highest number of pairs is the winner. Counting memo consists of 6 game boards, 48 loose cards, 24 of which contain images, 12 cards with dots, 12 cards depicting numbers, and a guide, all conveniently arranged in a wooden box.